Here we go. Oh my word. Okay. Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back, you little cupcakes with sprinkles. How are you? What's going on in your life? Seriously, what is the best or worst thing going on in your life? Put it below. It really does help me get to know you guys. So today is Thursday. I had to think about it. I'm all messed up because I got sick overnight, Tuesday night, and then Wednesday it was like the day never happened. I'm fine now. I don't know. Maybe I ate something again. I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting old and things just don't work the way they used to. Anyway, I was hanging out with Louie this morning, and actually I'm getting ready to film for a different video, and I got the notification that my Paradise Fibers package was here. Hello. So I did my trek down to the mailbox. You guys know how it goes. I gotta get my glasses on here. And they shipped them together, which you also know that I love. Let's get into this the big package today. Okay. Woo! And hello! If you are new here, you might be wondering why I have two. By the way, look at this packaging. I'm excited already. Paradise sends me one to open on my channel to share with you all in video form, and then I buy one and I give it away to one of you. So at the end of this video today, I will be giving away the second package from last month. If you want to see a link to what's actually in this package, I will post a link to that video below. So stay around for that drawing. And then the way that you can enter to win one of these is make a comment on one of my videos from this one until the next one gets here, basically. We'll just be picking a winner for last month at the end. And I did not see one bit of a spoiler. As you guys know, I kind of stay away from the spoilers. I like it to be a surprise. That's just more fun, actually. It's more fun for me, but then it also makes this more real isn't the word, but I don't know. I guess maybe it is the word. I'm gonna point you down, and we are gonna open one of these up. I'm looking forward to seeing what's in here. I did not touch the bag from last month. I've just been far too either busy or busy doing nothing. Oh, but before I do, I have to show you guys something. So if you participated in our Facebook group Tour de Fleece thing that we did, I'm going to do another round of prizes because I forgot that John had offered to donate something sponsored by his business, Dark Tower Designs. And also our Deb, look what she made us, you guys. She made us all these little can thingies. Some people call them koozies. Look at them. She made us these. She made a couple of these. Oh, so, whoops. She made all of these. I'm gonna give them away, and she made us some car air fresheners that I'm gonna give away. This one is one of my favorite sheets that came from the Tour de Fleece. Okay, so there will be another round of prizes. One person chose not to accept her prize, and then I am going to notify the other two people who have not yet claimed their prizes with me in the Facebook group in the next day or two. That's what's going on with prizes. Kind of fun. We're still gonna have another round. I'll do it soon, I promise, because we're getting like far away from the end of the tour. And we are going to open one of these up. Just gonna give it a good grope and see if I can tell anything. Of course I can't. No idea what's in here. Guess I'll rip it open the rest of the way. Everybody's always afraid I'm gonna cut what's in here, but I never have, so I don't think you need to worry. Okay, let's pull out the cards first. Ooh, guys. this? Oh my gosh. Okay. This says August 2023 Fiber Club newsletter. It is a beautiful mountain scene with like a little farmhousey kind of scene in there. Really pretty. This is what's in our, oh my gosh. What? Sorry, I'm excited. This is what's in our bag. So let's do that and then we'll go over the other card. I've gotten better about that, you guys. Okay. I'm gonna start, I guess, with the bag because that's what they started with this week, or this month, I mean. Wait a minute, is this even sealed? Yes. It's holographic. I don't know why that makes me happy, but it totally does. Okay, so it says one sticker. This is Eunice with a mountainscape behind her or as her, or I don't know. Really kind of a cool, peaceful one. Ooh. Okay, this is the 1.5 ounces white Egyptian cotton top. Guys, we're gonna get to talk about spinning cotton. That's a good thing. Some of you might be a little scared. Don't be scared. We'll do it together. It'll take me a while though. You know how slow I am. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is 1 ounce gray flax silk blend. I don't think I've ever spun a flax silk blend. That's really interesting and different. What was that one that was it was like purple. I don't think it was silk and flax. Very super interesting. I kind of can't wait to get on this and try it. It's pretty too. It's a pretty color. It's like a warm gray. This is going to be very interesting to spin. 2 ounces Kermi Organzo custom blends. So this is Kermi, clearly. And it says 50% Tussa, 25% Flax, 25% Merino. That's fun. Oh, wow. So for Flax, this is very soft. As I've had it before where it was a bit rough feeling. Really a pretty color, this green. Very like a spring green. This could be really super cool to spin. I feel like I'm gonna like this a lot. Merino and silk on its own is really cool, and adding the flex is gonna give it some very different texture, which I think I will like. Let's see. And then this must be, look at these bags. They are so cute this month. Come on. 1 ounce white Erie silk. What is crazy is I just got some silk in the mail. I'm going to be doing something different with silk that I've never tried before. As soon as I get my dye space moved, I want to dye some to do a project like different from anything I've ever done. So I may include this. This could be the perfect addition. And also really pretty white, very bright, and very nice to dye if you are a dyer. This is a really diverse group this month. It gives you the chance to try kind of a lot of interesting things, and I think a lot of things that aren't as typical in the spinning world, so it's gonna give like a great sampler feeling to it. You just get a bunch of different things you could blend. You can try a lot with what you've got here. This is pretty cool. And then, let's see. It says 1 stitch marker. Oh my gosh, no, I got a whole bunch. Oh no, I see. I consider the bulb pins to be stitch markers, but you got 1 stitch marker, which is like a little painter's palette. Hang on. It's a little palette. Fun. That's really a fun one. And then 10 of the bulb markers, you know what those are. They're these ones, these little stitch guys. I love these for a bunch of different reasons. A multicolor pen, are you kidding? So this is one of those pens, and if you are my age, I'll be 50 next year, so I'm 49. You can do all different colors in the one pen just by pushing down the different color. This is a super cool one. I actually used the last pen that came in Paradise to sign all my thank you cards for when you guys order from my shop. So maybe I'll do that with this because I could like do rainbows. Oh, Trish, you're always so extra. And then we actually also got a stash tea, and I don't think this is listed on here. I got decaf chocolate hazelnut. That's one that I definitely haven't tried before. So that'll be really interesting too. This is so cool. So, okay, let's go through these. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice this before, you guys. There are little Eunices like all over this little farm town or little mountainous scene. Now this has a picture of, have you guys seen all the videos with the little frogs? I cannot remember what that artist's name is. I'm so sorry because I love him and I have a friend who sends them to me. And he's dreaming about happy little clouds, which is a Bob Ross thing, as we know. But did you know that Bob Ross was a student of a German painter named who was like his predecessor on PBS, who also said happy little clouds and happy little trees. So he didn't make that up. Isn't that crazy? This gray stuff is called Sweetums on their website, it turns out. Oh wait, this says 50%. Yep, sorry, this is not listed correctly on their card. This is actually the 50% mulberry silk, flax, and merino. So it's the same blend as the Kermie. It's got wool in it. It's so pretty though, you guys. All right, so let's look at the card. Oh, there's some info on Erie silk. So that's really an interesting one. It's about where it comes from, what type of moth makes it, and what they eat. Oh, okay, so I didn't know this. It actually says that the fibers in the Erie silk are shorter because the moth actually splits these cocoons as it comes out. And then this is a picture of the type of moth. I don't want to give it all away to you. So they have a showcase pattern this month, as they frequently do. It is Frog by Claire Garland. It's available on Ravelry. We talked about this a month or two ago. They've got a new page on their website that has the Fiber Club exclusive deals, so they said to check that out. This month's theme was inspired by Bob Ross's whimsy and creativity. The secret to doing anything is believing that you can do it, Bob Ross. That's so cool. They also have a little tip here about using the bulb, what do you call these, bulb pins? I don't know. Yeah, bulb pins as row counters. So you guys know that I do this when I weave. If I am making a let's say a 28-inch dish towel, every time I hit a 7, which is a 1/4, I'll add one more pin to the first pin so that I know how many times I've hit the 7. It isn't exactly the same as counting rows, but it's the same as keeping a measurement that way. So I use these for that, and I love them for that. It really helps me know when to throw in one of those contrasting threads for cutting. So they're kind of suggesting something similar for your own row countings. Thank you, Paradise. I'm gonna have so much fun trying all these new kind of different, unique blends and also unique ingredients for the things that I can kind of play with and have fun with. I love that. It's so much fun for me. That's one of the best things for me about getting this package, is that you get all these things that you might not have tried on your own, and you get to try them out. If you want your own package, there will be a link below. I'm an affiliate for them, so you can get them through me if you want to. If you don't, hey, no hard feelings, right? And let's go pick a winner. Okay, so first I figure out how many videos there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 videos. Okay, number 8, which was a live. It is this one. So we'll just grab a link. Hang on, I gotta make it bigger. Oh, there's only 36 comments. That's gonna make it really good odds. Replies are fine. Okay, so I do keep the replies, but I don't filter, I don't add any extra entries. Get the comments and then start. Evelyn Albers, you win. So please just email me your snail mail address at fiberlovediary@gmail.com and I will get it in the mail for you. Thanks you guys for hanging out with me while I unbox this today, and I will see you soon. Thanks. I love you. Bye.